Hi guys! So today, you can't really see my uniform because I have PE today. If you don't know what that says, it says Adidas. It just says the other way around, like whatever. But here's my kitty. He's so adorable. Hi, hello, where's my little baby cake? And I was crying yesterday because my Tamagotchi died, and this is how it happened. So I was playing on my room, having fun, my new encounter house. If you didn't know, I had one because I got it for my 8th birthday. But I went down. A few minutes later, I went to go check on my Tamagotchi, and it was right. It was right. Wait, let me put my Tamagotchi down first. It was right here, and I went to go check. And I went to go check on it, and I saw that it was dead. I was crying about it for so long. But I reset it though. No, and the highest I've ever got it is 13 years old. But I reset it now. It's 2. And yeah, and I want to show you what I can do. I've been doing this for a long time, so I should be able to do it. A handstand, I've been doing it a lot of times already. If you see that picture up there, those pictures, that one and that one, and that one, like that one and that one. Well, that pictures that I got 4 or 3 years ago. So bye guys.